Welcome students, today I am going to discuss the project for term 2. As you have already done the project for term 1, here for the term 2 we are going to use the same project copy. So at the very last page where you have written the bibliography, turn the next page and write project term 2 project assignment, and then you have to do the project accordingly. So right now we are going to discuss the project topics in details. So let's see.
So students, right now we are going to discuss about the project in details. So first you need to cover the page. In your term 1, if you have already done this process, then you don't need to do that. If not, then you have to cover the page in the same manner, okay? Now we are coming to the page number 1. So page number 1 means where for the term 1 you have written the bibliography. On the next page you have to write the term 2 project assignment. Next we are moving. This is the page number 2 where you need to write the acknowledgement. This is acknowledgement you have to write on the page number 2. Moving further, this is the page number 3 and here you have to write the index. So in the index page there are 6 columns: serial number, date, subject, topic, page number and teacher signature. You have to write the same accordingly. Right now we are going to discuss about the project topics. First we are going to discuss about the English, and the topic is paragraph writing. So in this is Jodi's phone. Jodi decided to keep his phone as his pet. Imagine you have visited Ladakh and woke up one morning and found a tiny animal on your doorstep. Now you have a new pet that keeps you busy. So all you have to do, you have to write a paragraph about the pet on the right side of your project copy, and you have to affix or draw a relevant picture on the left side of your project copy. Next subject is Bengali. Topic অনুচ্ছেদ রচনা. কবি জীবনানন্দ দাশ রচিত আবার আসিব ফিরে কবিতাটিতে আমরা গ্রাম বাংলার একটি চিত্র দেখতে পাই। তেমনি কেন্দ্রশাসিত অঞ্চল লাদাখ ও গ্রাম বাংলার প্রকৃতির তুলনামূলক আলোচনা করে একটি অনুচ্ছেদ তোমার প্রজেক্ট কপির ডান দিকে লেখো 120 থেকে 150 শব্দের মধ্যে, এবং লাদাখের ও পল্লী বাংলার চিত্র খাতার বাম দিকে আঁকো। সুতরাং এখানে তোমাদের কি করতে হবে? এখানে তোমাদের কেন্দ্রশাসিত অঞ্চল লাদাখ ও গ্রাম বাংলার প্রকৃতির একটি তুলনামূলক আলোচনা করতে হবে এবং সেটিকে তোমার প্রজেক্ট কপির ডান দিকে লিখতে হবে, এবং এর সঙ্গে সম্পর্কিত চিত্র প্রজেক্ট খাতার বাম দিকে তোমাদের আঁকতে হবে বা আটকাতে হবে। नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट इज हिंदी. टॉपिक अनुच्छेद लेखन. पानी की कहानी पाठ में दिए गए जल चक्र को ध्यान में रखते हुए लद्दाख प्राप्त में पेयजल व्यवस्था के विषय पे 100 से 120 शब्दों में अनुच्छेद लिखिए तथा जल चक्र का चित्र बनाएं. सो यू हैव टू राइट the water cycle on the right side of your project copy and you have to affix the same picture on the left side of your project. Now the subject is mathematics and the topic is geometrical shape. So it says that Ladakh is a very important part of India and this is very important jewelry of Ladakh. This is the old silver jewelry Himalayan amulet box pendant called Gao. So this is very important ornament that is being worn in Ladakh. The geometrical shape of the jewelry is a polygon of equal sides shown in the right side. So you have to draw or paste the picture of the polygon on the left side of your project copy and you have to write the answer of the following question. These are the question, you have to write the answer. So the first question is you have to write the name of the polygon. Question number 2, number of sides of the polygon, and question number 3, number of diagonals of the polygon. Now we are moving to the next subject, that is science, and the topic is friction. Mountaineering in Ladakh is very famous. Explain why do mountaineers need rigorous training and first class equipment, and write down any 2 properties of climbing boots to increase friction on the right side of the ruled page of your project copy, and you have to affix or paste relevant picture on the left side. So you need to explain why mountaineers need rigorous training, and at the same time we have to write any 2 properties of the climbing boots, and you need to affix or draw picture, actually relevant picture, on the left side of your project copy. Next subject is social science and the topic is tourism and its impact on economy. Tourism is one of the economic contributors to the Union Territory of Ladakh. As you know that it is one of the economic contributors of the Union Territory of Ladakh in northern India. Now what we have to do, write a brief about the importance of tourism. So you have to write the importance of tourism of Ladakh on the right side of your project copy, and what you have to do, you have to paste some relevant pictures on the left side of your white page or project copy. Now comes the topic subject computer, and the topic is GIMP and its advanced features. So what it says, what you need to do in the computer, you need to take a picture that shows the scenic beauty of Ladakh and write the steps to perform the following. You just need to write the steps, okay, and you have to affix the picture. First, number one question, you want to select adjacent areas of the picture. You have to first you have to select the adjacent area of the picture. So you need to mention the required tool to perform the following and also mention the steps. You need to, suppose you want to select the adjacent areas of a picture, so for that reason what tool you require you have to mention, and you have to also mention the steps. Next, the number two question is how scale tool is useful to enhance the beauty of a picture. So in which way scale tool can enhance the beauty of the picture, you have to mention, and you have to draw or affix relevant picture on the left side. Now the subject is Sanskrit. So this topic is Vakyani Rachna. Write down 5 meaningful sentences using the following words. These are the words. With the help of these words, you have to write 5 meaningful sentences on the right side of your project copy, and draw or paste any 4 picture of your written sentence. So whatever sentence that you have written, based on that sentence you have to draw or affix picture on the left side of your project copy. Now we are moving to the general knowledge. So what is the topic of general knowledge? Land of high passes. So as we all know that Ladakh is also known as the land of high passes. Write in brief about it on the right side and paste some relevant pictures about it on the left side of your project copy. So as we all know that Ladakh is also known as the land of high passes. Write in brief about it on the right side and paste some relevant pictures about it on the left side of the project copy. So as we all know that Ladakh is known as land of high passes. Why? What you know about this thing, you need to write in brief on the right side of your project copy, and you have to affix some relevant pictures on the left side of your project. Next comes the bibliography. This is going to be the last page, and this is the bibliography, and you have to write to make these projects. I have taken the help of internet as well as from my textbook. Okay, so all the best students, do your project properly. Thank you.